Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change text color in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just open up the CapCut project where you would like to change the color of your text. Then go to the part where you actually have text in your video. Then tap on it and this way you can select it. And to change the color of it, you just have to select the style icon, which is going to be the third option on the bottom of the screen. As you can see right here, tap on style, and here you can select the color of your text. As you can see, you can select from this list of many different colors, and obviously you can also go and select any color from the color palette, or you can also use the color picker, and with this you can pick a color from your video so you can match it to the style of your video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.